ये राम राम माधवी जी।
जय राम जी की। जय राधे कृष्णा। नमस्कार दोस्तों। भाषा अपनी बातों को व्यक्त करने का जरिया है। स्पोकन लैंग्वेज, जेस्चर्स, साइन लैंग्वेज जिसे हम कहते हैं कभी, एंड राइटिंग ऑल्सो। Is language a skill? Of course it is. Anything that involves listening, speaking, reading, writing is a skill, and language is a skill. So in that case, is music a language? We think about it, we talk about it many times. If you think about only sharing information in a way that people can understand, then music is definitely a language that can be written, the sounds that are purely artistic and abstract too. Gujarati and Marathi. Today's Shame Gana regional special, we brought a combination of two languages here. Both the languages have unique history of spanning over thousands of years. And over the past thousands years, Gujarati and Marathi languages got influenced by rest of India, especially from main Hindustani culture. So some dialects are easier for other Indians to understand. Today's singers, Nutan, Bharat, Preeti, and Tushar. We welcome you to Shame Gana. I am Madhvi Batula. And for our new viewers and existing viewers, still wondering, hey, what happened suddenly? Come on, it's the last Friday of this month of May 2021. So every month, the last Friday, we pick a regional special. And there are numerous reasons as to why we're bringing Gujarati and Marathi together this month. We'll get our participants to introduce that. And a small request and protocols here that when you are singing or speaking, please have your mics on, otherwise keep them muted so that the flow is good and we don't get a feed. And please keep the introduction of your songs as brief as possible because this is a 90 minutes program. So once again, a warm welcome to Nutan, Bharat, Preeti, and Tushar, and to all our wonderful viewers joining us on Zoom and Facebook and YouTube. Sham E Gana. Let's welcome Nutan to the show and ask her to introduce herself and then tell us about the language that she's going to sing in today. Nutan, welcome to Sham E Gana. Unmute yourself, Nutan. The lady in black, Nutan, on your screen.
Dark blue.
Dark blue? Okay. Okay. How are you, Nutan? Well, so nice to see you back here on Sham E Gana.
I'm happy to be back here on Shame Gana, and that too for the Marathi segment.
Okay, so you're going to sing Marathi songs. So
Yeah.
give us a little introduction about your association with Marathi and how excited you are. Of course, everybody says they are excited, but when the energy of, आपके पड़ोसी जो स्टेट के लोग भी बैठे हुए साथ में थोड़ा competitive spirit होता है ना, but this is a fun atmosphere, so we're going to have it together. So tell us a little bit about the language or about the song that you're going to first present today.
Yeah, the language is like we speak Marathi actually.
Uh-huh.
And although I've been born and brought up in Goa, but married in Mumbai,
Uh-huh.
so we speak Marathi, and I have been doing all these programs like in Marathi also. Like I used to sing on radio also in Goa, and plus
Okay.
and the other shows also that I participated. But Marathi is a very sweet language,
Mm-hmm.
and we actually at home we speak Marathi, and I love the language actually. So we have been to first of all when I came over here, in the US, I've actually performed many Marathi shows also, and
Uh-huh.
in all throughout the country,
Mm-hmm.
and it was a great shows. I also participated in most of the one act plays.
Mm-hmm.
I also have given music for one of the play
Mm-hmm.
in Marathi, and I've performed like lot of other musical shows. But
Awesome.
yeah.
So we are looking forward to your performances and entertaining us this evening. Very kind of all four of you to come forward and give us this 90 minutes of your precious time and keeping us all energized together. Nutan, the mic is all yours. The show is all yours. Go ahead.
Okay, my first song is a song Marathi Bhavgit, which is sung by. Hold
As
on,
Nutan gets
I'm
it,
hearing, yeah.
even I'm hearing something. That's okay. Take your time. Hey, you got it in control.
Yeah, I was just wondering what happened.
That's okay. It all happens with us. So just feel at ease, comfortable, and you're all set to start.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
before starting the program, I wasn't even getting my mic. I was so upset. I said, "What's going on?" So finally, I got it, and now
Okay.
this was the second one. Yeah, my first song is from Bhavgit, which was sung by Asha ji, and she sang the first. These are her first song, which was composed by her brother Ridhanath Mangeshkar. Actually, this song has a flair of a Natyagit, which, like, I also actually wanted to sing a Natyagit, but I could not get the track, a good track.
Okay.
But I'm just going to sing this song.
Okay, please go ahead. Yeah. Welcome to Shame Gana Regional Special. Today, Gujarati and Marathi. I'm Madhvi Batula here. And of course, on the screen today, you will be joined by Nutan, Bharat, Preeti, and Tushar. Let's go for it. बहुत ही खूबसूरत एंड गाने की इंट्रोडक्शन तो नूतन ने आपको दिया है एंड अगर आप में से कई लोग जो संगीत प्रेमी हैं कैन वी हैव द माइक्स म्यूटेड प्लीज थैंक यू कि आपने इस गाने के, इस भावगीत के कई वेरिएशन सुने होंगे, एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ ओल्ड इज दिस सॉन्ग, अबाउट 60-70 इयर्स, मे बी अ लिटिल मोर देन दैट. It was recorded way before 1960 or something, so that makes it about what, 50-60 years, almost close to. And many of us who are watching this program, Shame Gana, we correlate, we come together, we have this camaraderie of memories that bond us and bring us together. So I guess today's Gujarati and Marathi special is going to give that same feeling, and I think goosebumps every time you hear to one specific song. Let's catch up with Bharat and welcome him to the show and see what he has for us to present today. Bharat ji, namaskar. Welcome to Shame Gana. दूर दूर तक दिखाई नहीं दे रहा भरत.
नहीं, मैं सोच रहा हूँ कहाँ भागूं ये गाना सुन के. मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है. इतना अच्छा गाया नूतन जी ने कि I just have no words to express. Awesome.
Yeah.
Very tough song.
Very tough song. Yeah, but that's the beauty, and I got goosebumps when she was singing. So I'm hoping that you're going to continue the magic here for us. So please introduce yourself to our new viewers and tell us something about your association with the language. Of course, that's your mother tongue, and anything sweet memories. And as we progress into the program, we'll get many more opportunities to talk further on that, and also introduce your first song.
Sure. So my name is Bharat, and when I tell my surname, obviously it will be very clear that I am a Maharashtrian. So Parulekar is my last name. So the Kar tells it all, right? So I basically born and brought up in Mumbai. Marathi, of course, is the mother tongue, and grew up in Hindu colony, which is completely dominated by Maharashtrians. Most of 90% of the colony is dominated by Maharashtrians. So grew up in that atmosphere, and have been hearing, listening to a lot of Marathi songs. This one also. Can't sing, but definitely can hear and listen to such beautiful songs. So yeah, so that's been pretty much, and my introduction basically starts and ends with a group called Hidden Gems. I belong to Hidden Gems. I am into singing because of Hidden Gems, and as we all know, we do a lot of good work for the community. We just raised about 30,000 in 3 hours in the program that we did recently for providing relief to COVID affected people in India. So
thank you for doing that. Thank you.
So that's what we do. So 15 years since in Hidden Gems.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah.
And what's the first song that you picked up for us this evening?
So the first song that I've picked up is, although I'm a 60s, 70s, 80s guy, I've picked up something from 2000s. And thanks to my friend Rajesh Iyer, but he's more Maharashtrian than me. He is the one who actually suggested this song to me, and he challenged me to sing this song. And it's been 2 days since I've been hearing, repeat mode. And hopefully I do justice to that. So it's from a film called Mumbai, Pune, Mumbai. A very new, romantic, soft kind of a song. So hope I do justice and hope people like it.
Okay, Swapnil Joshi ki film. Okay,
yes,
go ahead.
Yes. Okay. उमलती कशा धुंद भावना अलग वाटे कसे बंध जुळती हे प्रीतीचे गोड नाते हे जन्मांतरीचे शब्द मी गीत तू आकाश तू आभास तू सत्यात तू ध्यास मी श्वास तू स्पर्श मी मोहर तू स्वप्नात तू सत्यात तू साऱ्यात तू पंख लावणी उडत चालले मन हे तुझ्या सवे तुझा मी माझी तू कधी केव्हा कसे झुळले बंध हे अबोल प्रीत ही हे नाते नव्हे अजब रीत ही हे स्वप्न नव्हे घडले कसे कधी कळते नजे कधी हळुवारते आले कसे ओठावरी देनात साथ दे हातात हात दे नजरेत ना नजरेतुनी इकरार घे क्षणी हरवते मन कसे उमलती कशा धुंद भावना अल्लद वाटे कसे बंध जुळती हे प्रीतीचे गोड नाते हे शब्दांतरीचे थैंक यू
हम में से कई लोग जिनको भाषा समझ में नहीं आती है लेकिन संगीत की भाषा हम समझते हैं, हमको लगता होगा कि ये पहला नशा की तरह गाना था। अविनाश विश्वजीत का म्यूजिक। एंड आप में से कई लोगों ने फिल्म देखी होगी, मैंने भी देखी है। लेकिन एक बात थी इस फिल्म के बारे में कि इसमें स्वप्निल और मुक्ता या मुक्ति जो भावे एक्टर मुक्ता दोनों का नाम नहीं होता इस फिल्म में। और हम में से कई लोगों ने ये फिल्म इसलिए भी देखी क्योंकि मुंबई पूना मुंबई के बीच में बहुत कुछ होता है। आई एम ऑल्सो डेफिनेटली फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन। अगर रोमांस की बात करें तो that is the only zone that works very well. Great selection and great pick there. And let's go to the next state, and that is Gujarat. And I'm assuming that Preeti is going to sing something in Gujarati. Let's welcome her to the show of Shah Meghana Regional Special. Preeti, welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much, Madhvi ji.
Such a delight to be seeing you here. Please introduce yourself to our new viewers and भाषा के बारे में या संगीत के बारे में अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहें तो please feel free to, and then we can follow it up with your song.
Sure. So my name is Preeti. I was born and raised in Gujarat. I'm a Gujarati. Now, if I talk about the language, as many other languages of India, Gujarati was also, it derived from Sanskrit. Gujarati is, I find it very similar to Hindi. So it's easy to understand as people tell me who are not familiar with the language. About me, I have been a Sugam Sangeet artist, Gujarati Sangeet artist for a very long time. And I'm approved in All India Radio at B high grade level in Sugam Sangeet. So I'm going to sing some of the Sugam Sangeet songs today. My first song is a legendary song which was, so Asha ji Bhosle jaise Nutan ji ne pehla jo gana gaya, that was I think sung by Asha ji, as she said.
Yes.
मैं जो गाना गा रही हूँ वो भी आशा जी ने ओरिजिनली गाया हुआ है. The lyrics are Madi Taru Kanku Kharyu ne Suraj Ugyo. It was written by Avinash Vyas, who is considered to be a legend in Gujarati music. So I'm going to attempt that song.
Awesome. Please go ahead. Yeah.
माडे तारूं कंकु खर्यूनी सूरज उग्यो माडे तारूं कंकु खर्यूने सूरज उग्यो जग माथे जाने प्रभुताए पग मूक्यो कंकु खरूने सूरज उग्यो माडी तारूं कंकु खरूने सूरज उग्यो मंदिर सरजायों ने घंटा राव गाजो नभनो चंदरवो माए आँखों मांजो दीवो थावा मंदिरनो चांदो आवी पूग्यो कंकु खर्यूने सूरज उग्यो माडी तारूं कंकु खरूने सूरज उग्यो मावड़ीनी कोट मां तारा ने मोती जननी नी आँखों मां पूनम नी ज्योति छड़ी रे पुकार सूरज उग्यो माड़ी तारू कंकु खर्यूं ने सूरज उग्यो जग माथे जाने प्रभुताए पग मूक्यो कंकु खर्यूं ने सूरज उग्यो माड़ी तारू कंकु खर्यूं ने सूरज उग्यो सूरज उग्यो सूरज उग्यो। थैंक यू।
इसके साथ ही आज का प्रोग्राम समाप्त होता है। कंक्यू कलर में हमारे सामने प्रीति ने अभी ये गाना पेश किया एंड अविनाश व्यास, एक मैसेज डेफिनेटली उनके लिए बनता है कि भाई जिंदगी में एक ऐसा कंपोजिशन करने के बाद और कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है। if I'm not mistaken, कंक्यू आई थिंक इज द गेरुआ कलर, राइट? द सनराइज एंड सनसेट का जो कलर होता है वही है, एंड सिंदूर का रंग भी वही होता है, एंड इतनी सुंदर आराधना। इसके बाद तुषार जी से क्या बात करना। और बाय द वे आज हमारे एक नए पार्टिसिपेंट है तुषार। उनका भी स्वागत करते हैं आज के प्रोग्राम में। वेलकम टू शामे गाना। तुषार जी, कैसे हैं आप?
थैंक यू माधवी जी। आज मैं ये तीनों सिंगर्स को री-वेलकम करता हूँ, वेलकम बैक। और मैं आज 12th मैन हूँ क्योंकि ओरिजिनल सिंगर को लास्ट मिनट सम इमरजेंसी आ गई थी।
Okay, we wish him the best.
के सिंगर, yes. So I'm just filling in today and I'll be singing one Gujarati song which is sung by many prominent Gujarati singers as well as some Bollywood singers, including Mukesh ji. So I'm singing Mukesh ji's version of O Nil Gagan Na Pankheru.
Okay, ठीक है, हो जाए।
ओ नील गगन ना पंखेरू तू कानव पाछो आवे मन तारी याद सतावे। ओ नील गगन ना पंखेरू तू कानव पाछो आवे मन तारी याद सतावे। ओ नील गगन ना पंखेरू साथे रमता साथे फरता साथे नावलड़ी मातरता। साथे रमता साथे फरता साथे नावलड़ी मातरता। एक दरियानू मौजू आव्यो वार न लागी तुझने सरता। आज लगी तारी वाट जोऊं छूं, आज लगी तारी वाट जोऊं छूं। तारो कोई संदेशो लावे, ओ तारो कोई संदेशो लावे। मन तारी याद सतावे। ओ नील गगन ना पंखेरू बिना हो जीवन साथी जीवन सूनु सूनु भासे। पाखो पामी उड़ गयो तू मन कोई नव मार्ग बतावे, ओ मन कोई नव मार्ग बतावे, मन तारी याद सतावे, ओ नील गगन ना पंखेरू पंखेरू। समवा टलड़ी जो और में होला तारी, विनवू वारंवार तूने सांभळ विनती मारी, तारी पास छे साधन सौए, तारी पास छे साधन सौए, तू कानव मने बोलावे, के तू कानव मने बोलावे, मन तारी याद सतावे, ओ नील गगन ना पंखेरू, तू कानव पाछो आवे, मन तारी याद सतावे, ओ नील गगन ना पंखेरू, तू कानव पाछो आवे, मन तारी याद सतावे, ओ नील गगन ना पंखेरू। थैंक यू।
Yet again, पद्मश्री अविनाश व्यास जी, जहाँ कहीं पे भी हो उनकी आत्मा को शांति मिले, और इतने सुंदर सुंदर गीत, भावुक गीत रीअरेंज करके अरेंज करके प्रस्तुत किया। एंड मुकेश साहब ने इसे तो अमर गीत बना दिया। अगर आप में से किसी के आंसू छलक रहे हैं तो इट्स नॉर्मल, बिकॉज आज के जो प्रोग्राम में जो गाने पिक किए हैं ऑलरेडी इन द फर्स्ट राउंड by Preeti, Bharat, Nutan and Tusharji, that's already getting us so very emotional and beautiful, and bringing us closer and closer to the heritage and culture that we come from, we belong to, and we own with so much of pride. This song had so much of emotions and nostalgia. Now let's welcome the coordinator and the executive director of Shame Gana and Indus TV, Dr. Tushar Patel. Welcome. क्या कहने हैं आपके?
Thank you so much, Madhvi ji, again. Actually, we are celebrating Gujarat Divas and Maharashtra Divas today. Little late, May 1st is the Gujarat and Maharashtra Divas, but due to some unfortunate circumstances, we were not able to hold it earlier. But happy Gujarat Day, happy Maharashtra Day to all. And I think wonderful evening, wonderful singers this evening, and we are so fortunate that we are celebrating both states together in one evening. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Tushar. Really appreciate those kind words for our wonderful participants and for the languages that we own so much with pride. Music, a universal language that everyone can understand and everybody enjoys, whether you're playing, singing, listening, writing. For some of us, it's the mother tongue. For some of us, it's the tune, it's the rag that catches you. And then you put that effort to learn that. And अभी कुछ जो गीत अभी पेशकश थी, उसमें से अगर मराठी सॉन्ग्स की बात करें तो उसमें से कुछ गुजराती सिंगर्स ने भी गाया है, और गुजराती सॉन्ग्स की बात करें तो वो कुछ मराठी कंपोजर्स ने भी कंपोज किया गया है। उसी तरह ना मैं मराठी ना गुजराती, आई एम अ म्यूजिक लवर राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, माधवी बतुला। Shame Gana, it is for you. Thank you everybody who's participating, watching, encouraging. It's a very simple format of the program, and if you want to be part of it, you're always welcome to. There is no waiting time. You just want to sing, you just send us a message, you're in. चलिए नूतन की तरफ बात करते हैं। नूतन से, नूतन, can you hear me? I know you can hear me. Okay,
Yeah,
there you
I
are.
can hear you.
Okay. अच्छा, शादी सिलेक्शन करने में बहुत टाइम लगा क्या आज?
नहीं, खाली मे बी
एक वीक। अच्छा। I see all the men laughing.
मेरे को डिसाइड करने का था कौन सा गाना गाऊं वगैरह।
अच्छा, गाने में ज्यादा टाइम लगा।
हाँ हाँ।
चलिए, गाने और आपके बीच में मैं नहीं आती हूँ, तो let's get to 2 songs and you'll get a little time between each song. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. My second song is a Bhavgeet again from a Marathi movie, Kama Purta Mama,
Okay.
which is sung by Lata ji.
Beautiful. Go ahead. Wow. I think the song was also sung by Suman Kalyanpuri ji, another version, and all gems and picks that have been coming out here in this Gujarati and Marathi special. And our viewers today would want to know from you कि आप कौन सी भाषा से बहुत ज़्यादा परिचित हैं और कैसा लग रहा है इस वक्त आपको शामे गाना का ये रीजनल स्पेशल। जैसे कि आपको पता है कि आज हमारे 4 सिंगर्स हैं और बहुत ही मीठे मीठे मधुर संगीत आपके लिए पेश कर रहे हैं, और ऐसे ही कुछ और वेरिएशंस अगर आपको चाहिए शामे गाना में। आई थिंक वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट कम टू द 61st episode if I'm to be corrected later, and we brought so much of variations, variety and singers, and everybody got an equal opportunity here on Shame Gana. So if you want to be part of it, do join us. And any requests that you have, you should definitely convey to our singers, so the next time when they are here, then they will accommodate that and work along with it. So Nutan, are you ready with the next one? अच्छा, आपको थोड़ा सा वक्त चाहिए, दैट्स ओके। मुझे लगा कि ये जो गाना भी नूतन जी ने गाया, ये जो जिस एक्ट्रेस पे पिक्चराइज किया गया था, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, वो रामायण सीरियल में कौशल्या का उन्होंने रोल किया था। आप में से अगर कोई जानते हैं तो फिर जरूर बताइए कि कौन सी एक्ट्रेस थी जिस पे ये गाना पिक्चराइज हुआ था, और आपने ये फिल्म अगर देखी है कि नहीं। हमें से कई लोग पुरानी फिल्में अभी इस वक्त आई थिंक लॉकडाउन के टाइम पर देख रहे थे, तो आप में से किसी ने फिल्म रिसेंटली देखी है, कोई खास बात इस फिल्म के बारे में बताना चाहते हैं तो बताइए। और गाने से रिलेटेड आपकी कोई याद हो, आपकी मम्मी गाती हो, दादी गाती थी, या फिर आपने कहीं सुना हो इसे पहली बार किसी पान की दुकान में या बस स्टैंड पे, तो वो भी आप शेयर कर सकते हैं। अच्छा लगता है सब सुनते हुए, पढ़ते हुए। नुतन?
My final song is a Launi. It's from a movie Sangte Aika. It's music by Vasant Pawar.
Okay.
And this is the song which was sung again by Asha ji.
Okay. want to go home. I really want to go back home now.
Go to Satara.
I know, Bharat. You and I were dancing, right? While this,
Yeah.
you can see me getting a little emotional there. And I was just talking about, Nutan, can you please mute your mic, please? Thank you. Yeah. I was just talking about the actress who played Lord Rama's mother's role, Kaushalya's role in the TV serial Ramayana. It was Jayashree Karkar, and coincidentally, the song was also picturized on her. How very nice, and I'm filled with emotions and love for you wonderful singers for bringing up these songs. And that's what I say every time, and I keep repeating myself. Nothing can replace our mother tongue and our heritage and the language and the country that we come from. That's India. तो भरत, कितना मुश्किल था अपने आप को कंट्रोल करना जब नूतन गा रही थी?
बिल्कुल, मेरे को तो ऐसा लग रहा था की ये चलते ही जाए. असं वाटत होतं नूतन की असं चालूच राहू द्या.
हाँ, देखो ये मजा आ रहा है.
हाँ, तो आता मराठी प्रोग्राम आता मराठीमध्ये बोललंच पाहिजे.
बिल्कुल बोलना चाहिए.
देखो समझ भी गए, देखो. फैंटास्टिक.
अच्छा, थोड़ा मराठी में आप कुछ और बोलिए और उसके बाद फिर चलते हैं हमारे जो नेशनल लैंग्वेज की तरफ, ऑफ लैंग्वेज ऑफ म्यूजिक.
नाही, खूप जण मला सांगतात की इट्स बीन 20 years सिन्स आय एम हिअर, आणि खूप जण मला असं सांगतात की अरे तुझं मराठी अजिबात चेंज झालं नाहीये. तर आय टेल देम की का चेंज होणार? देयर इज नो रिझन टू चेंज, राईट? घरी मराठी बोलायचं, विचार मराठीत करायचा, आणि मुंबईवाल्यांबरोबर मराठीत बोलायचं. दॅट्स इट. हाऊ डू यू लूज युअर मदर टंग दॅट वे, राईट?
Yeah, I always, even I say the same thing, that when you're thinking, which language are you thinking? Which language are you actually thinking in? But then when it comes to, देखिए एक बात है कि यूनिवर्सली, एटलीस्ट इंडिया से तो हम कह ही सकते हैं कि जब आपको चोट लगती है तो एक ही भाषा निकलती है, वो है माँ. और आप बताइए कि वो कौन से लैंग्वेज में नहीं है ना. तो उसी तरह जो आपके इमोशन से, आपके खान पान की बात हो, तो आप कितना भी वेगस घूम ले, कितना भी कहीं चले जाएं, बस जब तक वो दाल चावल नहीं मिलते हैं आपको तृप्त नहीं होता. तो उसी तरह जब तक आपकी भाषा में गाना नहीं होता, शामे गाना क्या चीज है ना. इसीलिए we brought this flavors for you, the thali. चलिए आप बताइए आपके गाने के बारे में. And same thing, that once you finish your first song, you'll get a couple of seconds for the next one. In the meantime, mute your mic. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So the next song is like an anthem in Marathi. It's not like an anthem. It's not an anthem, but there's no Marathi guy that you will get who will not know this song. So it's an old song composed by Devdutt Sable, and very fun song, majorly sung by small kids, for small kids rather. So, but actually it's a song that has been sung by a person who's romancing his heroine. So it's not from a movie, but it's on a walk, catwalk, something like that. So you'll know.
Oh, yeah.
All right. चाल तुरु तुरु, उडती केस भुरु भुरु, डाव्या डोळ्यावर वट ढळली, जशी मावळत्या उन्हात केवळच्या वनात नागिन सळसळली. ही चाल तुरु तुरु, उडती केस भुरु भुरु, डाव्या डोळ्यावर वट ढळली, जशी मावळत्या उन्हात केवळच्या वनात नागिन सळसळली. Nutan, I'm talking about your butt. कुणी आसपासना, डोळ्यांच्या कोणात हासना, तू जरा माझ्याशी बोलना, ओठांची मोहर खोलना. बघ जाता माग वळून पाहता, वाट पावलात अडखळली, जशी जशी मावळत्या उन्हात केवडाच्या वनात नागिन सळसळली. उगाच भुवई ताणून उगाच रुसवा आणून पदरचाच पुन्हा तान ओठ जरा दाबीशी दातान. हा राग जीव घेण खोटा खोटाच बहाणा आता माझी मला खूण कळली. जशी मावळत्या उन्हात केवडाच्या वनात नागिन सळसळली. ही चाल तुरु तुरु कुर्ती केस भुरु भुरु डाव्या डोळ्यावर वट ढळली. जशी मावळत्या उन्हात केवडाच्या वनात नागिन सळसळली. थँक्यू थँक्यू.
बचपन के दिन याद दिला दिए. In fact, 6 June 2002, that was the day and year when we lost Shanta Shelkeji, a very renowned poet, journalist, academician, and writer. And I think she was the lyricist behind the song that Bharat just sang. Khub chan, Bharat, khub chan.
धन्यवाद धन्यवाद.
आपके बच्चों को ये गाना आता है कि आप गाते हो कभी?
नाही त्यांना नाही येत ते गाणं.
त्यांना नहीं आते?
They have heard the songs but they cannot sing.
It's okay. You can reply in Marathi. That will be more fun.
हो
ना?
अच्छा ओके ऍब्सोल्युटली. तरी तरी इंग्लिश येतच तोंडात काय करणार.
अच्छा तो बीवी को सुनाते हो?
नो पॉज देयर, एब्सोल्युटली नो पॉज. बीवी को तो हमेशा सुनाता बीवी को ही सुनाते रहता सब गाने.
बीवी आपको सुनाती रहती है. अच्छा ये
बीवी
बताइए
मुझे गाने
कि
नहीं सुनाते, बीवी मुझे कुछ और ही सुनाती है,
अच्छी
मैं
बात
उसे गाने सुनाता हूँ.
अच्छा बताइए कि school में Marathi was a subject for you, or it was like you were completely differently educated with the language you learned on your own? Sometimes it happens with us. You know, for me personally, I learned my mother tongue on my own because the places that I was raised in, there was no language where, you know, mother tongue कोई बात नहीं करते थे parents के अलावा. तो आप अपनी बताइए कि स्कूल में था मराठी एज अ सब्जेक्ट?
हाँ, तो मैं आईएस इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में था, which is better known as King George, which is again in Dadar Hindu Colony. And Marathi was a second language there. And again, being right in the heart of Hindu Colony, it had a lot of people who were Maharashtrians and a lot of other languages also, but majorly dominated by Maharashtrians, and so were the teachers. So English medium school थी, लेकिन हम लोग teachers के साथ भी मराठी में ही आम्ही गप्पा मारायचो त्यांच्याबरोबर. So all the teachers were Maharashtrians. So English was hardly spoken, but it was fun. Yeah, Marathi was a second language, and then there were other languages also. But again, domination was Marathi, no question about that.
And through this program, I want to make an appeal to you and all the other singers and who have musical bands and groups. Always make it a point to inculcate some regional songs in your music mixes when you perform for a mass audience. It doesn't matter whether they understand that language or not. That is the only way we can keep this literature and culture alive. That's a small request to everybody who's watching also. चलिए भरत, आपके अगले गाने की तरफ.
Okay, तो अभी जो अगला गाना है वो एक कोड़ी गीत है. And very, very difficult song to sing. I'm just trying. And it's sung by Hemant Kumar and Lata Mangeshkar, of course, composed by Hridainath Mangeshkar. तो मैं दोनों पार्ट गा रहा हूँ और दोनों में लड़के के आवाज़ में ही गा रहा हूँ. तो ऐसा कोई मेल फीमेल ड्यूएट नहीं है इधर. तो this song was copied in the film called Mahasangram in Hindi. गोविंदा की फिल्म थी वो. तो उसमें बहुत अच्छी तरह से माधुरी पे पिक्चराइज किया था. तो उसमें बहुत अच्छी तरह से वो सॉन्ग recreate किया था. So, but I'll sing the Marathi version, of course. So,
okay, go ahead. So, viewers, you got the cue that you have to praise our singers here while they attempt everything.
Yeah, this is really an attempt, mind you. इसके लिए पानी पीना पड़ेगा. मी डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा. मी डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा. घर पाण्यावरी बंदराला करतो ये जा. मी डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा. वल्लव रे नाकवा हो वल्लव रे रामा. 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 आय बापाची लाराची लेक मी लारी. चोली पिवली गो नेसली अंजिरी सारी. आय बापाची लाराची लेक मी लारी. चोली पिवली गो नेसले रंजिरी सारी. माझ्या केसान गो मालीला फुलायला चाफा. वास परमालता वाऱ्यान घेते झेपा. नथ नाकान साजीरवाणी गला भरून सोन्याचे मणी. नथ नाकान काजीरवाणी गला भरून सोन्याचे मणी. कोली वाऱ्याची मी गोराणी. रात पुनवेला नाचून करते मौजा. रात पुनवेला नाचून करते मौजा. मी डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा. वल्लव रे नाकवा हो वल्लव रे रामा. वल्लव रे नाकवा हो वल्लव रे रामा. या गो दर्याचा 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 दरारा मोठा. कवा पाण्यावरी उत्तान डोंगर लाटा 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 लाटा. या गो दर्याचा 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 दरारा मोठा. कवा पाण्यावरी उत्तान डोंगर लाटा 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 लाटा. कवा उदान वाऱ्यात शिरला येते फारू. कवा पाण्यासुनी आभाला भिडते तारू. कवा पाण्यासुनी आभाला भिडते तारू. वाट बघून झुरते फिरती मग दर्याला येते धरती. वाट भिजून धरती येते भेटाया तसाच भरतार माझा. येते भेटाया तसाच भरतार माझा. मी डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा. वल्लव रे नाकवा हो वल्लव रे रामा. 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 भला सकाल आभाल झुकत हे खाली. सोनं चमचमत दर्याला चढते लाली. भल्या सकाल आभाल झुकत खाली. सोनं चमचमते दर्याला चढते लाली आम्ही पाण्यामंदी रापण टाकतो झाली धन दर्याचा लुटून भरतो डाली रात पुनवेच चांदन प्याली कशी चांदीची मासली झाली रात पुनवेच चांदन प्याली कशी चांदीची मासली झाली माझ्या जाल्यात होऊन आली न तो बाजारा भरून म्होरा ताजा ने तो बाजारा भरून मोरा ताजा मी डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा मी डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा वल्लव रे नकवा हो वल्लव रे रामा वल्लव रे नकवा हो
Thank you, Bharat. That was beautiful. Again, once again, Shanta Shelke ji की lyricist हैं, बोल उन्हीं के लिखे हुए हैं. Music पर Hridainath Mangeshkar ji and artists like Bharat just mentioned, Lata ji and Hemant Kumar, and beautifully sung. And the song I think was filled with lyrics. कहीं पे ऐसा gap नहीं मिलता कि भाई singer सांस ले. और जैसे कि भरत का जो attempt था यहाँ पर कि male and female versions जो डुएट का है दोनों उन्होंने गाया है तो आई थिंक डेफिनेटली वर्थ एन अप्लॉज और मेरी भी सांस फूल रही है भरत
थैंक यू मेरी फूल गई आई एम डन
अच्छा आपसे बात करते हैं थोड़ी देर में थैंक यू
Sure,
चलते हैं प्रीति की तरफ प्रीति कैसा लग रहा है आपको मराठी स्पेशल सुन के आप कहोगे कि गुजराती स्पेशल है लेकिन वही बात है कि जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग इंट्रोडक्शन में कहा कि ओवर द इयर्स एंड जनरेशंस पासिंग बाय लैंग्वेजेस समवेयर दे आर जस्ट इंटरमिंगलिंग विद ईच अदर द हिंदुस्तानी कल्चर इज सच दैट देयर आर सर्टेन कॉमन वर्ड्स कॉमन फूड्स एंड यू नो marriages that are happening or people are migrating cross migrating so everything gets a nice blend of it so tell us some memories of yours about Gujarat or Gujarati food or the language that you learned to speak.
Sure, I'd love to. So, as I mentioned earlier, Gujarati is my mother tongue. And I've been very fortunate to be born in a family who are music lovers and literature lovers in all way. So, since very young age, since I was literally a kid, I got to interact with a lot of renowned poets who would come to visit my mama's house and we would sit with them, understand the poetry, understand the compositions, how a composer works through the poetry. I have been very, very fortunate to work with and to be, close with people who are in music industry for a very long time, who are very experienced, and to learn from them has been really, really
this is one of the most envious moments of Shame Gana for me.
I'm very fortunate and totally. And the next song that I'm going to sing, for example, it is written by a very, very renowned poet, Shri Ramesh Parekh. And Ramesh Parekh was originally from Amreli, which is a city in Gujarat. Later on, he moved to Rajkot, which is a little bigger city. And we have even learned his poetries in textbooks in the schools. So he's one of the best lyricists or poets, if I may say so, that we have in many, many years. He's no more with us for many years, but I was even very fortunate to sing many of his songs in front of him when he was alive. So this will be my kind of tribute to him. The song is composed by Gaurangji Vyas, who is the son of Avinash Vyas. Gaurang Bhai Vyas have been also very, very active and very renowned music director in music industry. He has worked with, you name the singers in Bollywood industry, and he has worked with him. So, with them, I mean. So I'm going to attempt this song. It's a love song from a female's point of view. And it praises the way she's praising her lover in this song. So I hope everybody likes it.
Let's go for it. Yeah.
सावरियो रे मारो सावरियो सावरियो रे मारो सावरियो हूँ तो खोबो मांगू ने दई दे दरियो खोबो मांगू ने दई दे दरियो सावरियो रे मारो सावरियो जाने अत्तर ढोळायो रूमाल मां एवी लथबथ भी जानी हूँ वाल मां जाने अत्तर ढोळायो रूमाल मां एवी लथबथ भी जानी हूँ वाल मां मारा वालम जीनु नाम मारो नाणो भर्या जीवतर ना गुलाल जेवो गाणो जाणो रे एणे खाली घड़ामा टहुको भरियो खोबो मांगू ने दई दे दरियो सावरियो रे मारो सावरियो कोई पूछे के घर तारो केवड़ू ओ कोई पूछे के घर तारो केवड़ू ओ हो मारो वालम जी बात भरे एवड़ू ओ मारो वालम जी बात भरे एवड़ू हो कोई पूछे के घर तारों केवड़ू आँख खट के उजाग राखी राती झीणा धबकारे फाट फाट छाती छबीलो मारो साव भोळो ने साव बावरियो खोबो मागू ने दई दे दरियो सावरियो रे मारो सावरियो
you.
A heart-touching song felt by all, enjoyed by all, and a request to all our viewers, please continue to shower your love for this program and all the participants that you see on the screen, and give them your requests, your feedback, and of course suggestions to what else to do once the lockdown is over, so that we bring the culture and heritage together. And I had some thoughts and then I suddenly lost them, but it's okay. That's what happens in this program. You know, friends, we talk about language barriers, and I don't understand what actually is a language barrier. If emotions are involved, no language is a barrier, you know. आप किसी के घर जब जाते हैं, अगर वहाँ के जो मियाँ बीवी हैं या फिर रेसिडेंट्स हैं, उन्होंने आधे घंटे पहले अगर लड़ाई की है, भाषा समझ में आए ना आए, आपको पता है कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, आप कोनी मार के बोलोगे भाई खसक लेते हैं यहाँ से. उसी तरह language has no barrier. It is an emotion that bonds us together, and music here is the thread. Aren't we enjoying it all together? Because it is Shame Gana. So Shame Gana, your favorite program? Yes, it is. Preeti, what's the next song?
My next song is again from Avinash Vyas. I have tried to pick some of the very, very popular songs. It was a challenge to pick only a few songs out of so many that are so good and close to my heart and popular at the same time. But this one is also a very fun song. It explains how a female lover asks her male lover whenever he goes to, patola, which are very, very popular and known around the world, and they are produced in Gujarat from Patan. Patan is the name of the city where the best patolas are made. And patola is a type of sari, just like bandhani is, just in case if somebody doesn't know. So when the female lover asks her husband, that whenever you go out for travel, bring Patannu Patodu for me. So this is a song, very fun song, very popular song that I'm going to attempt, and it is also written and composed by Avinash Vyas.
Okay, let's go for it.
छेला जी रे मारे हटु पाटण थी पटोड़ा मुँह घलावजो. छेला जी रे मारे हटु पाटण थी पटोड़ा मुँह घलावजो. हेमा रुड़ा रे मुरलिया चितरावजो. पाटण थी पटोड़ा मुँह घलावजो. रंग रतो बल कोर कसो बल पालव प्राण बिछावजो रे. पाटण थी पटोड़ा मुँह घलावजो. छेला जी रे मारे हटु पाटण थी पटोड़ा मुँह घलावजो. ओल्या पाटण शिरनी रे मारे थावो पदमणी नाथ. ओढी अंग पटोळू रे निरे लावो रंगधार. ओल्या पाटण शिरनी रे मारे थावो पदमणी नाथ. ओढी अंग पटोळू रे निरे लावो रंगधार. नथणी लवंगिया ने झुमका मोंघा मोढी मढावजो रे. पाटण थी पटोळा मुँह घलावजो. छेला जी रे मारे हटु पाटण थी पटोळा मुँह घलावजो. ओली रंगनी पटोळा मोघा लावजो.
Thank you.
Thank you, Preeti. And then only Vimal happened. For me, this moment here between Gujarat and Maharashtra is where I actually have evolved from. I completed my education in Maharashtra, and my first job was in Gujarat, in Ahmedabad, and that's how I just mentioned about Vimal. And I remember going to the Vimal factory and picking up saris from there because it was part of my work also at that point, a project that I was doing. I think today the sari shopping has become completely different. And तुषार जी तो बहुत मुस्कुरा रहे हैं कि पता नहीं कब मेरी वाइफ ने मुझसे पूछा कि साड़ी ला दो ना, तो खुद ही मॉल चली जाती है. The simple joys of our life and little, romantic moments that rekindled our romance in life, all those things today is in the all the confusion of, evolvement, I think it's just vanished. What do you say, Tushar ji?
પાટણના પટોળાનો અત્યારે ટાઈમ નથી લેવા જવાનો.
टाइम निकालना पड़ता है तुषार जी, टाइम निकालना पड़ता है.
I hope Bhabhi
વન્ડરફુલી સંગ પ્રીતિ, ખૂબ જ સુંદર.
भाभी सुन रही हैं, घर जाके भी पटाई भी करेंगी पटोला
भाभी
के
नहीं
साथ.
सुन रही है.
अच्छा, कभी किसी के लिए साड़ी खरीदने का मन नहीं किया आपका? जब ये इतना अच्छा गाना गा रही, कुछ तो यादें ताजा हो गई कॉलेज डेज की.
पहले बहुत खरीदी थी.
पहले खरीदते थे आप?
पहले
हाँ?
बहुत खरीदे थे. हाँ.
अच्छा, ठीक है. आई थिंक प्रोग्राम का एंड हो रहा है सही टाइम पर. हाँ,
सही टाइम.
चलिए आपके गाने की तरफ चलते हैं.
तो प्रीति will end up, so I'll sing one song and then Preeti will end up.
ओके, ठीक है.
Okay. So I'm singing Gujarati ghazal, actually sung by Mohammad Rafi ji, music by Purushottam Upadhyay, and Swarkar है उसके गनी दहीवाला, very famous lyricist. દિવસો જુદાઈના જાય છે, એ જશે જરૂર મિલન સુધી, મારો હાથ ઝાલીને લઈ જશે, મુજ શત્રુઓ જ સ્વજન સુધી, મારો હાથ ઝાલીને લઈ જશે. ન ધરા સુધી ન ગગન સુધી, नहीं उन्नति ना पतन सुधी, न धरा सुधी न गगन सुधी, नहीं उन्नति ना पतन सुधी, फकत आपणे तो जवू हतुं, अरे सुधी, मारो हाथ झालीने लई जशे. तमे राखना छोरतन समा, न मळो है आंसुओ धूळमां, तमे राखना छोरतन समा, न मळो है आंसुओ धूळमां, जो रज कबूल हो आटली, तो हृदयથી जा નયન સુધી, મારો હાથ ઝાલીને તમે રાજ રાણીના ચીર સમ અમે રંગનારની ચૂંદડી તમે રાજ રાણીના ચીર સમ અમે રંગનારની ચૂંદડી તમે તન પેરો ઘડી બે ઘડી અમે સાથ દઈએ કફન સુધી મારો હાથ ઝાલીને લઈ જશે જો હૃદયની આગ વધી ગની તો ખુદ ઈશ્વરે જ કૃપા કરી જો હૃદયની આગ વધી ગની તો ખુદ ઈશ્વરે જ કૃપા કરી કોઈ શ્વાસ બંધ કરી ગયો કે પવન ન જાય અગન સુધી મારો હાથ ઝાલીને લઈ જશે મુજ શત્રુઓ જ સ્વજન સુધી મારો હાથ ઝાલીને લઈ જશે. Thank you so much.
बहुत सुंदर. पता नहीं, there was something very haunting about that. I don't know, maybe I heard it in Rafi Saab's आवाज, this ghazal at some point. Lovely. Let's get back to Preeti. थोड़ी आवाज को आपको हमने रेस्ट दी और फिर we'll be back with you with the finale song of this evening. Go ahead.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful. તુષારભાઈ, બહુ જ મારી ફેવરેટ ગઝલ છે. It's considered to be, if we consider, top 20-25 ghazals, Gujarati ghazals, this would be in top 5 for sure. So I'm very glad you sung it. There is ghazal ka mood chal raha hai, so I'll also sing one ghazal to end the program. It is written by a very, very famous शायर, गुजराती शायर बरकत वीराणी, who wrote, उनका तखल्लुस था बेफाम, and he's one of the legendary shayars of Gujarati literature. This ghazal is very popular, and it was composed and sung by Manhar Udhas.
Wow.
अश्रु विरह निरातना खाड़ी शक्यो नहीं पाछा नयन नानूर ने वाड़ी शक्यो नहीं हूँ जेने काज अंध थयो रोई रोईने ए आव्या त्यारे एने निहाળી शक्यो नहीं हो નયન ને બંધ રાખીને મેં જ્યારે તમને જોયા છે નયન ને બંધ રાખીને મેં જ્યારે વધારે તમને જોયા છે તમે છો એના કરતા પણ વધારે તમને જોયા છે નયનને બંધ રાખીને મેં જ્યારે તમને જોયા છે તમે છો એના કરતા પણ વધારે તમને જોયા છે નયનને બંધ રાખીને ઋતુ એક જ હતી પણ રંગ નહોતો આપણો એક જ ઋતુ એક જ હતી પણ રંગ નહોતો આપણો એક જ મને સહેરાએ જોયો છે બહારે તમને જોયા છે મને સહેરાએ જોયો છે બહારે તમને જોયા છે તમે છો એના કરતા પણ વધારે તમને જોયા છે નયનને બંધ રાખીને પરંતુ અર્થ એનો એ નથી કે રાત વીતી ગઈ રાત વીતી ગઈ રાત વીતી ગઈ પરંતુ અર્થ એનો એ નથી કે રાત વીતી ગઈ નહીં તો મેં ઘણી વેળા સવારે તમને જોયા છે નહીં તો મેં ઘણી વેળા સવારે તમને જોયા છે તમે છો એના કરતા પણ વધારે તમને જોયા છે નયનને બંધ રાખીને હકીકતમાં જુઓ તો એ એક સપનું હતું મારું સપનું હતું મારું સપનું હકીકત માં જુઓ તો એ એક સપનું હતું મારું ખુલ્લી આંખે મેં મારા ઘરના દ્વારે તમને જોયા છે ખુલ્લી આંખે મેં મારા ઘરના દ્વારે તમને જોયા છે તમે છો એના કરતા પણ વધારે તમને જોયા છે નયનને બંધ રાખીને
थैंक यू प्रीति
थैंक यू सो
यू नो
मच
हम लोग कहते हैं कि भाई पुराने गीत होते हैं नए गीत होते हैं रिमिक्स वर्जन्स आते हैं क्या करना चाहे वो किसी भी लैंग्वेज क्यों ना हो क्योंकि हम यूजुअली मेन स्ट्रीम हिंदी शामी गाना करते हैं तो बट ये जो रीजनल पिक हमने लिया है इससे भी हमें पता चलता है कि कितने सारे ऐसे गीत हैं हिडन जेम्स हैं जो अभी सामने आ रहे हैं. And I think this particular song recently, Dhwani Bansali, I think somebody else also sang The New Generation. And then people started Googling about the song and then they realized कि Manohar Udas साहब ने इसे गाया था initially. And we must thank these new gen people also so that, you know, they bring us back and correct. And I think you want to add something more there, Preeti?
Right, just one thing. Sachin Jigar is considered to be, they both, I mean, Sachin Jigar is a music director duo who are very, very popular these days in Gujarati film industry as well as even in Bollywood. They've given some really good music. They've also remixed this song and also, as you said, Dhwani Bhanushali, she also has remixed it and it's quite popular.
See, that's so basically my knowledge is little bit nice there. मुझे नहीं पता कि तुषार जी का क्या प्लान है कि मुझे एग्जाम पे एग्जाम दे रहे हैं. Hopefully this week I've passed. Let's have a quick round of thank yous from our wonderful singers this evening. I thoroughly enjoyed being here. Some of you must be wondering कि भाई गाती तो हो नहीं, यहाँ बैठ के क्या कर रही हो? बस मजे ले रही हूँ. Nutan, go ahead and your words for the viewers and how you felt about today's program. Mute, mute, unmute, unmute. Hanji.
Thanks to Dr. Tushar Patel for giving me this opportunity. Thanks to Indus TV for providing this platform where amateurs and music lovers can present their talent. And thank you, Madhvi, for your wonderful comparing. You make all participants very comfortable, and that makes a lot of difference.
Thank you.
And congratulations to Preeti, Bharat, and of course, Dr. Tusharji for wonderful singing. It is a great start to the Memorial Weekend. And finally, thanks to all our viewers for their support and encouragement.
Thank you, Nutan. Tusharji, a quick note, just see that the when they're speaking, it's getting streamed. I guess a little concerns are coming that it was not getting streamed. Okay, Bharat, let's go to you.
Yeah, so Madhvi, you're saying that, you know, मैं गाती नहीं हूँ, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, but your talking is a performance itself, you know, in itself. So kudos to you. Always been pleasure listening to you. I've been you know, hearing and watching Shamagana from time to time. And it is a treat to see you perform there. So thank you very much. So thanks Tushar bhai, thanks Madhavi, thanks Indus TV for giving me this opportunity today to sing in front of you. It's a different experience for me as well. Never sung Marathi songs in a program as such. So this is the first of its kind. So, and I would like this to be the first of many, many more to come. So thank you so much for this opportunity and looking forward to many, many more.
Absolutely.
And good luck to you all.
Delighted.
Yeah.
Thank you. Preeti?
Yes, thank you, Indus TV. Thank you, Dr. Patel. Thank you, Nutanji and Bharatji. It was really wonderful to perform with you guys. I have been singing Gujarati Sugam Sangeet for a long time, and this was kind of a very, very nostalgic thing for me to perform again, Gujarati Sugam Sangeet, which is very, very close to my heart. And if I may say so, Madhvi, I know that you are amazing. The only thing I can say is your diction is really beautiful, and the way you express, the way you connect all the performances together and introduce everybody and make everybody comfortable, that's really appreciable. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm really touched. Thank you so much. Tusharji?
So passed with distinction A+. आपकी एग्जाम का रिजल्ट आ गया अभी.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bharat, Nutan and Preeti. गाते रहिए, आते रहिए बस शामे गाना में. Madhvi ji, keep doing a wonderful job. Even with the regional language song, you have a very good command. Next month we'll be doing Bengali songs.
Wow, the sweetest language.
Yes. So you will have more studies to do, but I'm sure you will do well. Thank you so much, everyone, and we'll see you next Friday again.
Sure. Yes, next month we're going to have the Bengali special. In fact, अभी भी शुरुआत करना चाहते हैं तो मैं टेस्ट दे सकती हूँ. Okay, friends, this is a long weekend, Memorial Day weekend. मैथ्स के बारे में जो कुछ आप जानते हैं, फैमिली फन कहेंगे, समर एक्टिविटीज कहेंगे, बैकयार्ड कैंपिंग कहेंगे. आप में से कुछ कह रहे होंगे कि भाई बारिश हो रही है, हम क्या करें? अच्छा हो रहा है कि बारिश हो रही है. Please honor the sentiment and express the gratitude, and maybe in the long weekend, at least take a minute to understand why it is Memorial Day, why this day is being observed. Let's not forget those important factors of our life, because gratitude is very, very important. And keeping that gratitude in mind, I'm thankful to everybody here who showered their love and affection and encouragement for me, and thoroughly blessed. Have a safe, long weekend and catch you next Friday. Good night.